gate? Oh, after me being here for 1 hour, you cannot open for me the gate.
I told you before.
What?
I'm going off right now. I don't want any visitors at the moment.
Am I a visitor here? Do you want to sugar sissy what? I'm a visitor. He's a German guy and me a Kenyan woman and I'm in my house and I'm a visitor. Guys, interesting. Wa Kenya munasikia? Mimi ni mgeni nimetoka vacation nataka kuingia kwa hata sina haja na yeye sababu mimi niko na haja na boma yangu sababu mimi kitu sitaki ni mwanamke tu alete kwa sababu mimi ndio mwenye hii boma. Yeye akitaka kuoa atakiwa na wake 10. I don't care. Let him marry even 10 wives. But me, I belong here. This is my home until court decide. Instead of him opening for me, he was recording me. I have been here 1 hour.
I want you to take
1 hour.
Here. Okay.
You are not allowed to take pictures. Take picture of him.
You are not allowed to take pictures of me.
You look smart.
Do you understand this?
You look smart. You see, I used to look.
You understand this?
See what I have bought.
Stop
I have
taking
bought
pictures
you.
of
See how
videos.
smart you are, Buddha.
Okay. And you, please stop him.
I stop him.
Order.
I stop him.
Okay.
Yes, my mechanic. I want him to make my car. Anyway.
Oh,
And
is that what you want?
They have come from Mombasa.
Why don't you
They
say
have
something?
come all the way from Mombasa and then you keep them here.
Sorry. Are you what?
You have been keeping me here and I have been waiting them here. Then they are wondering, if woman, is not your home here? Eh? This is not your home? Go down. The way you behave is not okay. You always annoy me. I came peacefully.
I told you before, you give me a call beforehand, make an appointment and come in.
I make appointment.
Behave like a normal human being.
You behave like
Okay,
a normal
alright.
human being when you are closing the woman
Behave like a normal
This is
being.
not
I know this is
Germany.
difficult for you.
This is not
For
Germany.
God's sake, don't be so fucking primitive.
Who is primitive? You are
You
me.
are. Jesus Christ.
Who is primitive? Me and you.
Don't
Me
you
and
know how to make a call and make an appointment?
Appointment in my home. Are you going crazy?
Well,
Do you want your head
you
to
know
be set?
that there's a divorce case going right now,
Divorce case, is
and
it
until
done?
they
Is it done?
don't ripple the
Is it
water,
done? Divorce,
you're
is
making
it
things
done?
more difficult.
Is it
Okay,
true?
the
Is it
divorce is
true?
going to be